How to fix touchpad gestures not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart PC. Restarting your computer is a simple yet effective solution to address minor glitches and bugs. By doing so, you refresh the memory of your system and eliminate any misbehaving processes that might be causing issues. Before delving into more complicated troubleshooting methods, it is advisable to restart your computer and assess if this basic step resolves the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Scroll down in the Device Manager window and expand the category named Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your touchpad device listed under this category. From the context menu that appears, select Update Driver. This action initiates the driver update process for your touchpad. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.